Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And right here we are in the standard photo mode. So what we have to do first is to switch this photo mode to the camera mode, let's say. So just tap on this icon next to the to this highlighted one. So we will set immediately the video, as you can see. Unfortunately, we do not have a red dot inside the shutter button to indicate that we really have the video mode applied, but we have to trust this device. So now, after setting the video, let's go to the settings icon, which is in the left lower corner, and here we've got the resolution, which is more or less in the middle of the full list in this general section. So in the resolution, we've got three different options: FHD, 4K and 8K. So basically, just tap on the specific option and it will be immediately applied, and it means that it will also be immediately set. So from now on, your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. And here we've got also frames per second. If you wish, you can change it. The frames per second and the amount of the options available here strongly depends on the resolution, because here, as you can see, we've got 24, 30 and 60 frames per second, and in 8K we've got 24 or 30. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.